it's me Haifa. Welcome to my mom channel. So let's come with us. Come on. Mom, come on. Outside. Come with me, fast. This is the market. Come on.
लिफ्ट नहीं होगी.
Come on, we are going up to the stairs. We are going up to the. Hurry up, fast. We need to find the ginger.
देखते हैं आपकी कैट मिलती भी है या नहीं.
It's here.
हाँ?
It's here.
है. वाह. लेकिन चेंज है ये हाइफा. ये वाली ले लो, ये वाली बड़ी वाली.
Which one?
ये जो बैठी है दिस वन.
No, it's really big. This one.
प्रीवियस वाली. हाँ ये आपकी प्रीवियस है. ये एक ऐसी थी ना इनके पास और वो तोड़ दी, तो ये बहुत मिस कर रही है अपनी कैट को. तो आफ्टर 6 मंथ दोबारा लेने आई है और हमें लगा था कि नहीं होगी, लेकिन शी गॉट इट. मिस कर रही थी आप इसको.
बहुत मिस कर रही थी.
ये वाली नहीं लेनी, ये तो बहुत क्यूट है ये वाली. दिस वन.
No, I did not like this one. Look.
हाँ ये तो उस दिन भी थी.
Yes. Oh, that's so cute. It's a puppy.
चले बस सेम लेना है आपको, जो सेम जैसे पहले थी. थोड़ा चेंज ले लें.
No, I don't want change. This is my bestie.
चलें. You happy? I think the grey one is cute.
I like the brown one because it is my sweetheart.
But I like this one. So cute.
So you can buy this also.
What will I do?
You can play with it.
Huh?
You can play with it.
Wow.
Come on, let's go from here. Why are you checking some more? Come on, we need just ginger. Come on, from here.
Wait, Haifa.
What?
Let me check Walker for Ryan.
Walker.
Yes. Where is Walker?
They only have
The swing. No. We don't need swing. I'm looking for Walker.
What's this? This is a cute little parrot. But I don't like parrots. I like cats. I'm going down.
No, wait. What?
A copycat scissor.
Huh?
Copycat.
Wow, Ryan will love it.
And the unicorn and the llama too also.
Wow.
Okay, let's press it.
No batteries.
It has batteries. No.
Press.
The duck one has batteries. Let's check. Hello?
Leave it. It's not talking duck.
It's a copy duck. I found another parrot. This is a copy parrot. This is a copy parrot. Look, inside it has batteries. Look. Hello? It can't talk.
Not responding.
Oh, what's this?
Yeah. It's squishy. Just come down.
It does not have price.
Just come down.
I can buy it.
Hi.
It did not have
What is
price.
this?
I can help it. I like to help toys.
What kind of help?
They're both brown.
Hmm?
They're both brown. I like them. I'm going down.
Oh, okay.
I will surprise Dad. I'm hiding from him. I see this tree hamster in the TikTok too.
Haifa? मिल गई आखिर इसको.
So take care and like and subscribe my video. Yes, I finally got my ginger.